Once upon a time, in a kingdom far away, there lived a beautiful princess named Rapunzel. She was known throughout the land for her long, golden hair that shimmered like the sun. However, Rapunzel's life was not one of freedom and joy. She had been locked away in a tall tower by a wicked enchantress named Gothel, who coveted Rapunzel's magical hair for its healing properties. Rapunzel's tower had no doors and only one window at the very top. Each day, Gothel would visit, calling out, "Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair." And Rapunzel would lower her long braids for Gothel to climb. Years passed, and Rapunzel longed to see the world beyond her tower. One day, a daring prince named Felix, while wandering through the forest, heard Rapunzel's beautiful singing. Drawn to the sound, he discovered the tower and watched in amazement as Gothel climbed up Rapunzel's hair. Determined to rescue the princess, Felix returned the next day and called out, "Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair." Thinking it was Gothel, Rapunzel lowered her braids. Felix climbed up and was greeted by the astonished but hopeful Rapunzel. They quickly formed a plan to escape. Felix visited Rapunzel secretly for several days, bringing rope to create a ladder. On the night of their escape, Gothel discovered their plan and, in a fit of rage, cut off Rapunzel's hair and cast her out into the wilderness. Heartbroken but determined, Rapunzel wandered the forest until she found Felix. Together, they confronted Gothel, who was now powerless without Rapunzel's hair. With the love and support of Felix, Rapunzel discovered that the true magic lay within her all along. They returned to the kingdom, where Rapunzel was joyously reunited with her family. She and Felix married, and Rapunzel ruled with grace and wisdom, her story becoming a legend of courage and true love.